you can see here, it's a little bit crinkly. And then on this side, you can see that big bump.
What's up? This is the precept to respect the planet Earth. For real, this citation is going out to generations across every nation. Vibration, ill style vibration, dub sound vibration. Say we must kiss the ground. To that righteous sound.
Kiss the ground you walk on, whichever way the wind blows.
Kiss the ground, whichever way the wind might blow, often to and fro like the balance, tipping on an axis. People don't really think that this world exists. They walk inside a dream, can't hear the planet scream. I dream too, but in my dream she comes through and tells me that I'm feeling ill. I need somebody with skill and precision to make a dub sound excursion which concludes with me being well. I didn't know that you turned life into hell when I gave birth to you, mankind. This is to remind you where you come from. I kiss the ground.
Kiss the ground you walk on, whichever way the wind blows. Kiss the ground you walk on, whichever way the wind blows. Kiss the ground you walk on, whichever way the wind blows.
Wake up.
Kiss the ground you walk on, whichever way the wind blows.
Okay, here's a thought. Earth, planet Earth, she's the only one we've got, like the only sun we've got. Brings the wind, blows around her. Follow the wind and find your father's face in the sky. You wonder why. But you must kiss the ground. That's what he says, don't you know? As he blows to and fro. That you must kiss the ground you walk upon. Sun up, beam the dawn, down to the dust. The sun set, and that's a must.
Kiss the ground you walk on,
I kiss the ground.
whichever way the wind blows. Kiss the ground you walk on, whichever way the wind blows.